Hey YouTube, all that. But look, today I'm gonna show y'all how you make your seafood nachos that I've been doing, what I was telling y'all about. So this is my crawfish tails. This a thibodeau. Gotta throw these out. It's my open shit, y'all. Looking at it. Say hey, Miguel.
Hey. Man, why is you doing this when you
I'm just doing a video showing how to make some crawfish. Seafood nachos. Okay.
Yeah, leave me and Miguel out.
Yeah, don't put me on the shoot.
So, this is shrimp too. The shrimp. I recommend getting large shrimp because when you when you saute them, when you saute them, they gonna shrink. So you wanna get large shrimp. So I currently have. Don't look at these. This is my cheese was in, but I have my shrimp getting thawed out, my crawfish, and some ground beef, some leftover ground beef. But I bet she didn't thaw the other ground beef. Oh, you did? Okay. Now, you can use any kind of chips you want, but I use Doritos or tortilla chip, tortilla, chip. Okay. So, oh, and let me show you the cheese. This is the cheese I recommend. This is the best cheese. I don't know about other stuff everybody else be using. This is the best cheese. This is what I recommend. Okay. So, the cheese has warmed up a lot more. I'm gonna show y'all. See? This is why I like cooking in the slow cooker. Because I want it to be like really, I don't know, like light. Like it's still not light enough. It needs to get hotter and it's gonna be like looser. Y'all will understand when it's done. Okay, I forgot to slip my mind. But I'm doing my ground beef now. The ground beef had thawed out most of it. I'm waiting on this little part to thaw out. But you wanna, put you some, I have green onions. Wait, I have green onion. I have onions and celery in here to give it a little extra taste. Put mild salt, because this is going to give it a lot of taste. Put mild salt, and I put a little seasoning. Tony Chachere's, yeah. Show y'all. But, you cook this. Get that good old flavor. Get you a man that can cook. I'm telling you.
You know what? When you cook it until you see more red, like more meat, like how that part it is.
You still haven't thought out. Oh my gosh, ouch. What the hell? Go ahead. Not in the mood. Bitch! Hey, Chelsea.
See ya, nah. I'm doing like 2 videos in one. It's 2 videos in one. I'm doing a tutorial for like the nachos, but in the midst of it, so it's like 2 videos. Oh, can you swing it on my phone? So y'all, the ground beef is almost ready. I almost don't see no more pink. I need to taste these. I almost don't see no more pink. Oh, you got a new spatula. Mom, you can show me when you bring me this. I can see.
Alright. So I'm tripping. Alright, see how you see that? See, look. Chop that shit up, you don't want no big pieces. See that? Y'all almost don't see no pink. Well, now you don't see no pink, I think. Look how good that look. Oh yeah, that looks delicious. Okay. Let that cook, you know, let that marinate, let that taste get up in there, you know, yeah, Put that on fire. Now let's check on the cheese. I was telling y'all how I like it. Let's see. See how it's all soupy? Yeah. See that? Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, look at all my friends. Oh wow. Look at my friends. Yay. For the what, Shanty? Oh, that just said for the blog.
No, but I said that she's eating her orange from the heavy healthy.
What's this up in my kitchen? Oh, sound like a woman.
Oh, hey, woman.
Hey, yeah. How you doing? Okay.
Hey.
Good, look at y'all in there. Oh, shuck it. Shuck it now.
So you can wake up a little bit, huh?
Good, I see her. What's going on with you?
What's going on with me?
I'm about to wait and all that.
Monkey, I'm recording. Let me drop.
Let me move. Give me a little piece of that herb.
Yo, so I was telling y'all in my last video, like I was saying, when I was gonna write my Gucci shoes, y'all need to go pay attention to all these videos. But like I was saying,
Where's your panties?
I be doing the seafood nachos, and my best friend be here to help me, and my grandmother over there, and Chelsea be here to help me too. So we like a big family.
You can do this on your own?
Yeah.
I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to feel about it.
See?
Yeah, I be here to cook the ground meat and stuff like that. And he didn't cook this ground meat on his own.
So
I'm finna throw it on the ground, make my own.
next, I gotta do the shrimp and crawfish. So I'll be back. I use this to do my shrimp, my crawfish in. Like I separated shrimp, crawfish, you know. You want to make sure you have butter, cause you want your shrimp to be good and buttery and good, you know.
I like butter, yes.
Wow. Yeah, your butter. What I'm trying to say. So, what I was saying, you should do your I think you should do your shrimp first because shrimp take longer to get done. Crawfish most likely done already. You just heating it up. Oh yeah, and that's another thing. About the shrimp, get raw shrimp instead of the pre-cooked shrimp or whatever.
I need to get some more butter. What you say? I said y'all kitchen clean and I like that. Kitchen clean, food clean is good. Ha! Y'all hear that? Hey! Dumb. What? I forgot the kitchen clean, food clean, everything clean. I forgot. Oh yeah, well there. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like my shrimp.
Extra buttery. So you know, I be putting extra butter because you know. You want your shrimp?
Nacho and chill, baby.
Nacho and chill. You know, dumb. That way. Okay. Put my shrimp up and down. Yeah, put my shrimp.
The best nachos ever, baby. I'm going to give me some right now.
Yeah, okay. Do y'all hear it?
Okay. Come on down, baby. Want to saute your shrimp? Okay. Look. How I gotta sneeze? Who got this one? Okay, look. I'm black, so unless you white, your shrimp's gonna look like this. You saw they look all buttery and no seasoning. Let me show y'all how you fix it. Let me show y'all. Hello. Okay, you see this? You need some Tony Shashers. This go to my channel. I got like 1 subscriber on my channel. Okay, you don't really need. I'm not gonna put that because all you really need is some Tony Shashers. You still got that on 3/5, okay? Let me get this. Put me a little Tony Shashers. Now watch how the shrimp look extra good after this. Oh, I can't wait to get mine. I need some like right now. Because baby, once you get something, you gonna want it over and over and over again. You gonna start feeding it for them nachos. Lay's potato chips. Once you eat one, you got to keep on coming. I don't know about no ladies. That's really how ladies is though. But ladies, like that. Well, I don't have a problem with ladies. You do if you eat one, you say, well, I want on that. You go right back to the plate. Baby, I don't know where you come from. You must be coming from Mississippi. Oh my God. Oh, monkey. But, baby, them nachos good, y'all. Y'all paying $8. You might as well pay 10 because it's worth it. Dumb. Today is great. Look, you be quiet because you paying 5. Shit, you know how many people ask me fuck. Right. Shit. This is why I'm back doing it today. In the rest of the week, I guess. I think I might as well go ahead and get some nachos for the kids too, you know. Okay, look, y'all, I need some more seasoning. So for what? For the kid. You know, he gonna want some. Oh, wow. You feed that chip to that baby. I'm gonna come beat you myself. Yeah, that's not too much, okay? Because you have to remember that I gotta put... Oh, I'm glad you didn't see that. Y'all have to remember that I have to put the crawfish in here. So, you know, that's like more taste. You know, that's... Boy, look at your arm. Thank you. Boy, you look swole. You look good. Thank you. This when? This has been. I kinda like it. I just didn't have a haircut, so I was ugly for 2 months. Everybody must have thought I was ugly. I got a haircut and dropped a picture and yeah, I'm back. What? Yeah. Okay. I wish I could really taste this. Like, it'd be so good. I'm gonna go get some cash. Some cash? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, now I need to get prepared to do my shrimp. Okay, here's some leftover, crawfish. She got some leftover shrimp and crawfish. I want to say something so bad. What you about to say? I made it out. I ain't about to tell you. I'll tell you later. Okay. It's funny though. So, that's gonna be enough shrimp and crawfish for this one plate, y'all. After this, I'll make some more. But this is just a plate for me. This is I can eat the leftovers. That's your plate? Yeah, I'm just doing one for this video and then I'm posting on Instagram. Thanks, bestie. My bestie's back with the plates. Yay. Oh, these plates. You want these with plates? Okay. No, what I'm looking at? I don't know. What's your cute ass? What a baby. Ooh, thanks. He sleep right, Mom. Come on. This girl's still trying to get the baby away. You gonna see when I pick him up for real and make him a drink me. Wow. Alright, cool. Girl, don't hug me. I'll be looking for you in the day. Cause she's gonna be like, girl, show me more. You want that boy. You got a big arm. Oh my God. Can I wear something? She told me she wanted a shot. That is Shanti you talking to. That's why I walked off right there. Oh,
Such a good business.
You gotta get drunk. I wanna get drunk.
Who getting drunk? Oh my gosh, her name is drunk right now.
Oh, I thought you said I'm gonna get drunk.
Wow, I definitely didn't say that.
Tremaine, look at me in the thing.
Okay, so let me show y'all.
I wanna go get her legs chips.
You see how they look all good in season?
I don't let me see. I wanna look good this season.
Hold on, I gotta show the YouTubers first. The YouTubers. Okay, let me see. You see that?
What you gonna call your subscribers? What their names gonna be?
I haven't came up with that yet. Okay, so I'll be back when I'm fixing the plate. Show y'all me fixing the plate. So, okay, everything's done.
It's just so much more than giving fresh breath.
Well, I was just gonna say that. Who you know drink a canned water? Me, you know, extra. It's very good. Okay, let me show.
They is too serious with different stuff. No.
Right.
Like I said, I done got scammed too many times. So,
My ground
they
beef.
say basically like you just have the people paying the top person. So when you just gotta find people to pay you. Right. So like when they stop,
So it's basically like you can't stop when you can't stop. Somebody gonna.
You just lose your money, I guess, if you stop. See the cheese.
No, like when you stop when you get to the top, they just lose the other people money because they ain't gonna have no chance to. They said they got $5 slots.
Ooh, wow.
$800 for 25 years to life.
If they put for real quality, wow.
Okay. So let me fix the plate. Oh, sure. Of course. Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, Tremaine, why you got to stay on me? You walked up on my camera. Okay. I'm just, excuse me today, I'm just kind of off. Oh, yeah. She didn't count this also? Oh, wait. So she posted this. She did post it. She did post it again? She just posted it. Oh, she did that. She's trying to get on new. She did it? Oh, nah. I don't understand why she's trying to come down. Right, I was trying to see what happened. Me too. Why was you trying to vote if you trying to get to a million? Hope we get to the floor page. Right. They don't talk about your regardless. It's a bad thing. I don't know what it was. Everybody in Cali, huh? They just moved around at the same time. For real? Like everybody was in Mobile when she went. We were going like she was at the same club or something. She was at Blue Flame. Oh, no, they were in the same club. Yeah, Blue Flame and Mobile. Right? Okay, so, see I got my peppers and my chips. After, well, this how I fix my plates. You don't gotta do it how I do it. After I fix my chips, I put my ground beef. Hold on. Put my ground beef on my chips. And for $8, y'all, it'd be more chips than this, but look, this for swing pan cheese. It's just a little sample plate. Just to put on the Instagram and stuff, you know, and show y'all, that's all, nothing too serious. See that?
See that?
I cook my ground beef. I put my cheese on there. Chop it off real nice.
Hello. The boy that was racing me at Walmart. Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all, somebody come fix me because of my phone. It was my baby daddy. I just know it was. The only reason I gave my number because he was really, like, he really had his phone ready and everything. I'm on the phone to Tremaine. He really said, he gave me his phone. I'm like, okay, look, just
I would have ran off with you. You're gonna be done.
I mean, it's gonna be a solo if I do get it. I just want like this link with
Okay, now do y'all see the cheese?
Okay. If she had Phyllis. When she had it. Yeah, I think she did. She had that outfit on. With that outfit on. Talk about Jada. Not in a bad way. This is really calm, right? Go about. What you talking about? This one? Basically, just, you know, like her hair was short like that. Yeah. Like the neck, the round head, but not the curls that she has.
Finished product. Shrimp, crawfish, ground meat, cheese, and chips. Okay, let me take my picture for Instagram. And we can dig it on in. Okay, that's it for the tutorial for my nachos. Seafood, crawfish, shrimp, and ground beef nachos.